Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you about oleander poison. The main points which I will cover are its class, fatal dose, fatal period, active principle, medical legal importance, main sign and symptoms, and its treatment. That how we will treat the case of oleander poisoning. Now coming toward the class, its class is cardiac poison, means that it directly acts on the heart, and it is actually cardiac depressant. It depresses all the functions of the heart, the chronotropy, dromotropy, inotropy, they all will be decreased, hence leading to heart failure, heart suppression. The fatal dose are of two forms. The white oleander, fatal dose of white oleander is 15 gram, and the fatal dose of yellow oleander is 8 to 10 seeds. Fatal period is about 24 hours for both white and yellow oleander. The active principles for the white oleander are nerin compounds such as the neriodorine, and carabin. These three compounds will play active role during its action on the body. In case of yellow oleander, there are also three active compounds. One is the thevitin, other is the thevotoxin, and third one is the cerberin. These three are the active principles of yellow oleander. Now coming towards the main sign and symptoms with which the patient presents to the medical department includes dysphagia, meaning that difficulty in swallowing, vomiting, pain, salivation, diarrhea, lockjaw. This is very important sign. Often the patient with the oleander poison presents with the lockjaw. In case of cetirizine poisoning, we also notice lockjaw, so you must have to differentiate between the lockjaw of the oleander and the cetirizine poisoning. Then the patient may present with feeble pulse, fall of blood pressure, muscular spasms, convulsions, drowsiness, and coma. Its medico-legal importance is that its exposure is usually accidental in nature. It may also be used for suicidal purpose. It is used for as an abortifacient. Can also be used as love filler, and it is also used in cattle poisoning. Treatment includes general stomach wash or the gastric lavage with 5% tannic acid. This is important. We must have to use tannic acid for gastric lavage in this case. Molar sodium lactate solution is given in IV form, intravenous form. 5% glucose solution with 1.2 milligram atropine, 2 milliliter, 1 ratio 1000 adrenaline is also given, and 2 milligram non-adrenaline via the route of intravenously it is given. That's how the case of oleander poison is treated. These are the important points which I have discussed. You must have to remember all these points for your exam. Now if you have any question, just comment it down. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.